I was the Nation Prophet Opambour, and a retired military officer be enya asem e wa asase ho. Ama akwa kodu a point to say retired military officer was say NDC branch chairman yi etirum say Opambour di ni di agro e wa asase no ho a obetu etuo aha yi Penyah block media. Let's say any demo. Oba like video and oba subscribe button so. Now be click the notification icon of latest updates. Time be chere wa nyada mama e wo comment. Share so baso. No she video mo nua so enya bi ahye. It last week nyina no abusia na bibia e koso wa no na nema eye in the trend eye your vice president General Boko Adjuma ne conditions and seminar any cocaine scandal ne air medicines and seminar wala say any the EC cables na ira no just say na nima we bibia na air trend e wo media na so afi yen kan mi shem ene hu say Opambour the Nation Prophet eso ede ne die abehwim Opambour asim nyina ne say NDC chairman bia owo Kumase for sure NDC branch chairman for Island City constituency Kumase Island City constituency NDC branch chairman on my ISA Solomon Rubin our ex-military officer. Upon which himself a pay any Kumasi Asafo and Hene Kambu Maji Asasia a your Pambodiano. Omu Jeffrey Ninsem, I'm a Pamogasem crowd before SND threats to NDC chairman. No.
That's a Danny and Nidia. Then the Dini last the Dini wa. And then was some year. Mako last, a person for the Aqua last. I'm a lance, I hear you, Jamu, assassin, let's say you Jamu, the report of my person for. Now, to I you, Biasa, what's the son who can you change it? What, now, me catch wrong. What shall you be seen, Papa? Me catch trouble here. Me catch trouble here. Be very careful. Me no me wabusia no bi di wedi na Kenya wo de. Wabusia ni and wo bi di wedi na anya wo dada. Yes. Lance for ya de. Me ni aprepa. Am for ko di sika. Di sika kwa. Edi fo di info. O mini me di info. For edi we nso. Ni ya ye di en kama ga na obi ante da. Wo so mu ntumi nya sa. Wo so mu ntumi nya da. Nyame nhira wo mo. Beka we nyina kire. Yes. Still Lance for amoa. Afa de mu gina so se. Masesa. Na mo scam de ma mbetimi de amame. Samran mu di neska de timi e. Obetimi de amame. Mo ka se nkula bi na gina ho. Obetimi di amame. Odifo asem ne betwe ewure. Obetimi di amame. Enyina ebe ku. Scam de to asasa mo betimi di amame. Sure. Obetimi di amame ne. Obi ntumi e fa bete no. Mo raba obetimi ba so be adwuma. Obi antumi prophet. Obetimi ba so be adwuma. Ensi kura. Mo de mo ni mutra. Dabi. Ta presidency mo te. Mo di your friend is saying report come your friend Lance. Eti almost bosumi menesa bosumi miensa. Lance ko ye hwehwemu saa. No mo di report ba ma presidency so on fa bi mira me. Sasa sin ya dia. Obi enu ye ne dia. Police penyin ni ba what Lance say. Oye prophet ya. Odi bi Opambour dia. Yes. Police penyin ni pa. Adi bi akọ ni. Yes. Mo so on ko hwe ewu Lance no mo kire say there be ayodi for. Obi enu wani di no. Oto ye kura che. Ye to ye kura che. So many years. Obi adi no. Ama ya you tun for you release ni na da so. You be say be kan semina. Wo yan DC ni. Now for umbefa NDC kwan so ba bam. Entu ba be fast asem. Wo be fast asem. Now wo yan DC ni wo ni kwan ya command this wo kun bi. You bra President John Mahama mama some ya koso no. Wo yan DC ni. Sa wo pesa wo fast asem wo. Na wo yan di wa ban ya banti wo. Na wo free satam ya kasamen this now wo kan bi. Den some ya ka utimi ka bi. The radical see what was your need pain the radical see a bit. Do I have Berman so about the fast? Would you have so be fast? Would you have so be fast? Catch a one and so catch and will be a assassin. We don't make catch out. I saw pay the cry and chairman. Not for the to me, you're right here. In a mess. One of my member with the Capone. Everybody shall be a sofa. What are the Yakan say? Sanana one person here was Santimamuha. No one person who na when you're very careful. Yes. So one person here was Santimamuha. No one person who na when you're very careful. Yes. So when you're very careful. What dear grow, remember the Busiambo said to when you know me home. Me Chessican Chinto. And no me a babano. And no me a babanana. A sound of a Busiampo. Minamicano. That family. One mad woman suffer problem. Minamicano. Sophia Yanko. Yanko. So, some Cassia by some Cassab. So, from my infirmity. My man, you buy 3 times as a 4 times. Edi kapa me na becha wo, me na ba yi fi becha wo. Play usika. So what you say so? Play by so dem timi si wo play bi. Ya boya nana. Odi mi ma ko jere ba bi odi asem. Hwe ni wo chia me ba ko ya. Asam ne ba be ka no. Ga de wan for what titra asam no kwasa de na ma. Me so me so play jina ho. Na me ti adwam. Wo timi kwa ntia chia me. Wo timi antia na ka bi ya hire. Wo sa hiam se me bro himfi. Nyame na bua ho. Nyame na bua mo. Nyame na bua wo. Mimre ntwa me ya dia me. Mimre ya dia me ya dia. Usuni pade na me hu bi da na sasai. Sofo, nyame na bi o madom sada. Nyame na ya o madom. Nyankopon na ya o madom. Na afei de ohinu hu se me bua fu no. Wo hu se bua fu am besam kasa cha me no. Odi fu odi wadaro mama no ankoye. Nam sasa. Ono ankoye won. Memo wo shabre no nto me fira na gufon 1 minute with stroke. Cha! And I'm just saying, me sister was in a hint to hope you. Nobody. Yes. Unto my medium. When you are here, you are going yes. So what? Open up any dear man. If any dear man, Obi and one slow. Just over here, yes. A brother is not gonna for. When she will be better. So when I make a nature make a champion, the champion to do come some such. He needs to be. Check. So for the Bible, so for Oyanisa, so for Oyanisa. Nonsense. So for then you won't pioneer. Yes. Radical Ghana for no for me and among see. For Jesus. What can for Unyamisha? It is a wonderful prophet. Because Pienu Asebi, Asasue, which is for some Paco. As I say, what talk and Yabapo before a baby in our toilet. You must fetch your quatin Tombi. Tombi, if you have a colon's name, Dina also. No fetch that to Tom. Almost a land for one letter. Yes, from Kubani Pania, Yanusica. As I say, baby, a Quebec 10 pros. Yes, prophet, a swing in a month for the sea of time. Papa said, 4 pros was a dance. And no, what should there be before? Me now call answer me dinner. Before dinner, that's so what you say? I didn't know what's a bazaar. Didn't know some finance are quite. Hey, young men, some pata. We are Santini. We are Santini Chami for Santiago. We are Santini Chami. You were too for safety the right king of Ashanti. Yes, I say me bedun him. Then the signature was over your list. Some the signature was no. That's how we try one in feel. No best what you say. Who to me, you wrote you for. Yes, you know by and one. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So for your free and the press where the Holy Spirit lives. Don't be an Omayama Yamidi Pakasa. The Jimmy 14 years old Yamidi Panya. Yes. So Mijano, Chamani Kachan. No toss as my so Penny Jerobi. So for Prince, I am a dance with Jerobi. Satan the Akon Namasumon. It's 20 months. Go be a Zanka if you're busy. Boriana Bassa, Passia Penny Chairman. Jesus Christ. No. Yeah, who sent me Buffalo? Who sent before the battle? Ah, Peno Buffalo. I'm supposed to be winning one. Your Papa Cornelia Homicide. Yes, with Tiapa hanging out the Bissino, Murapo. Cha! If you want to say, if you're away, say if you're away, Miss Whoopie.
What I say, yeah, campaign man this year, Timaya, yeah, dear Quato Mahama, now I never. It's upon body way ever shield trend no more. I must say. Attention, a movie from cables na ira no na easy one container no ne ade ade no eba Opambour nsem no so we say enra ana nipa Opambour ni asem yi eye NDC Chairman ye Opambour air threatening Orisco PM or Lawson TV amekire Solomon Rubin our NDC branch chairman for Kumasi City constituency our say ex military officer also kwagina ho no mo okọ PM or Lawson TV it is all kono or the assassin ho document nyina ekoye ema kwakire mu number of times as assembly call as for hinanim no omufre Opambour a wama
okay na me copy sasas
me bajo my state way clearly na fe Penyah ni ka say Yera Jabari Solomon Rubin na oye NDC branch chairman ewo Island City na nsem ho na minya video and a video be ba out in circulation and a video no kire se so for Penyah Dr. Ebenezer Dakwa Yadom Opambour any Sofu chief na all kase ono and then asidenie and we all because clearly prophecy over prophecies attack and he stood his ground. You can imagine he stood his ground. I say NDC will win. NDC will win. John Mahama, His Excellency, has even paid him a visit after saying, "We're winning." You know, Echo Dana say. After he says of Penyah say, NDC ni be a genasasi. No, dear, why yama NDC and then I see the ye. NDC and ye ever genasasi. Some no Metiana Shimasuka class not day. And sa NDC ni chrono obey sa. And then yam de Penyah or Tim and Nimam in Din Komoyi. Na some ena of Penyah na okano. Na Penyah so chairman said there be a some your sanity. As I don't know any dear. And the Munchina Moon to say, or they may ever hey. And the Pacho into
Nuniamidasi, and I, Michiam Tifu, Michiam Regional Chairman, and so. Ebi asebi eka NDC asebi.
That's right.
Obi a friend say sebi me wo radio so
amba.
But sebi me niha se me kan NDC asem. And asebi masase asem na Opambour afred say odmato say me NDC ni amagina sase. Inti I'm here in that capacity to react to that issue. Ha. Mini amedikan ka say sebe asase bia won krata kwan ofa so nya asase no ewo ho sebe asase no me no kase me fa date ni ntodwa but date no wo ho obehwe ne original document ne photocopy document ni ne original document so enie
Why no waje photocopy na my baby
me patcho eni ohe original document na abrepa enye me penso ena sebe yade original document no eni
two lands
me patcho
prof we do the original land secretary lands commission date ni ade nyina ewo ha it was allocation date ni 12th of February 2010 2010 that is how many years 15 years 2025 that's the 15 years and the allocated plot on the map
edema ohwedin na edin your friend say Thomas Etuahene
Aloti Thomas
Etuahene
yeah
me pacho me introduce Thomas Etuahene we say sa papa yi akọ school on the regional budget officer our regional office nti sebi onye keto akoto japade a ono so nye due diligence ha nti ohwe allocation so a efri asafo ahimfi
yeah
ena daso a ne file nyina ayede ewo ho a ewo papa we edin
achemfo Kwame Akowua the second Kumasi Akwamu hene asafo hene
nti me pacho we ye asafo hene dada no on a year sa asase allocation ede maaye nti enya foforo yi a obaye na sebe me mbeka Opambour de ono so kura document ya ono so de produce ne document onu nyaaye no okodada ahemfo because asase ya me no ka ho asemi ye ne nanako almost ben fanse be 6 times okobi Ebenezer ofre Ebenezer on
okodada ahemfo
me patran okodada ahemfo say na asase pepesa ayira na asase na ayira no o say ba se omunye nkrata anye de ema no na enu nkasa no mu no in fact ahemfo so sebe omonso enim form no e ka kire ne say onkofa police report emra kire say na asase document ayede ayira nti say ukofa police document every file be on be in every asase bia no file no wo in the name say wo now say police report nso kire say edaso kire say wo now say ayira nti police report date say any dey document near the mao o yes awie no na sebe almost that document no mo ne call agreement say the police report aba there na document na ya amount no say dachi bia in any future purpose no say issue bia ba asase no ho dia ene nipa no ye be correct ne de nipa na asase e de ama no nti sa na omo ne kan ye e na omo ye enkrata se be ye de man nti yen ye pie ho no am say ye asem ye ka no afena asem na ye de epie plot 1415 mientu mi kan ko he files mu call yampa your files receipt ye di churches ka e wa ahifie tete that time ni nyina so eni ne allocation plot 15 no from on say also di kan je allocation free bofodu for ho ansana watima ko asafo ho amom nso ama on krata nti we your plot 15B and also allocation free bofodu ede kawe no ho and then ya de koji to me ma so amugina so ma yesa allocation no nti sebe o share
when's year 2002
sika ye tua ye efa asase no nyina e wa asafo enye asafo receipt ni nyina nso enie nti ye wo nkrata bia ye register no so wo Atmakwa Ahoma District Assembly and also nkrata nyina so na edawo ya sebe as evidence to talk about the land. In fact, I'm just doing this because John Mahama's name has been mentioned in it, and that is NDC for na ebeje assassin him. But entesa ye nyina ye mfamra emfanye ade bia ye sesebe police for ha o assassin problem adeko nti mekasemu no issue no kokobin police station omutroma asafo ahimfifo yakobia oma ye frɛ asɛm na Ebenezer nsio
eno ache
nti before na nakra bebu asɛm no kase ye nkofa ya asase no oma ye 2 chances say this is the very last chance sebe Mr. Tuahina mu nso oyare kakra nka sebe nko kame ho a me ne no eba hase but sebe stroke 70 no ne nantie emu odin nti eba sa no na nasa maye sma ne nchiamefo eko Ebenezer ho sebe ebia na obi aye double sales a of bra nanim no nso na woni hu nkomo na ohwe nkrata no no onye de eni hu nkomo eno so achiame for no ko frɛ Ebenezer ensi ho ena odi bua se yen nkrata ne de nkrata ewo asafo anfie no yen kofa ya asase asma me no ken just 2 weeks ago ena o ma ye to me say yen san ko ya asase so ne yen ko ye adu
ene asafo hene ene
bua
se go say monkofa mo asase
yen kofa ya asase
okay
na Ebenezer fe say owo ba bi ode na asem be bia abeko bia onfa nko na sabi ni nyina ba sa betwa ewo asafo anfie
eno no so catch Opambour is one of no aben or mema or being honhum ana honamani or langard umbo no ban dia eno so Opambour temptina asase ho a etuo be kasa
nti sebe o kase obi NDC ni na obi gina sase a me pacho entesa ena de ka ho nso biom se ono ye adwuma yes adwuma o ye enya ni soe me na me branch chairman o se me ma anya adwuma bia sebe me ma anya adwuma sebe party ni in fact I was part of the finance committee in Asante region. I was the security one of the security committee. I was involved into all these 2 strong sebe party we cause 2 strong areas in I was vested into obekase sebe me ma anya hwia
enye no kre se the oputi no NDC ni bi eje ono Opambour asase because we heard document here what provided wa nyina dia man that if ni nyina genuine said the here clearly what it shows which say I don't know about the land because some me farm ninko hu but the land a year o ha nyina no signifies say wo dia
right
nti as a most article and say mo bega mo ko aprapre ba asase no ho nyane o
Antacho, I say eya na atia koda. Sebe ye say o dia kra o di benkum on sa benkum na be de ebeji
na ze say NDC ba so ya na wo ko
asemu ya me no case almost 2 years ekọ asafo hine fi asafo for mo cancel we cry almost getting to about 8 months in Inti Sabi, clearly that is not the picture, but I feel say he has lost the
John
game.
Mahama
He has lost the game, and he just want to use that one. Sabi, say John Mahama so or the man Juma. Inti he want to mean say Sabi me the NDC GSA. I'm sorry for that statement, and I'm telling you clearly as soon as I leave here, I'm going to the site of the plot to commence my work. However, I've noticed the security police for yeah, and clearly yeah, I may be here block factory.
Oh, your factory.
Yeah, block factory.
Oh, 2 plots.
Yes, sure. Clearly, the Constitution of Ghana gives everybody the right to protect his property. It can be anything. I will use that last straw of mine to protect that land because Sebi me obi awasomne dade odi ni die de mano and Sebi so obi ni Opambour problem a enka me mekwa akogina Opambour echi se me bua Opambour ama ne na ye de akwa asase we nti me say constitution eyi na ama me kwan ne de or the langas bar I'm telling them
at the area how long that
yeah what say ultra video ni mu a or say or reference as bi say omode boys bi ba my boys ni dwane me nwane me kura me papers agina asase na so but whoever comes with anything I will tell him there I'm well armed intino sabe I will protect my property me nam eni ngwase asem but masase a legitimate media sabi ahimfo abam asebu ase min konkoye meduma de I will protect it until whoever comes my way will sort it out that way. And I mean it. I mean it. Sabi say me
protect my land. I
am legitimate. Me kwan so obi am na sase ho ban. I will manage japade ho ban. Sabi me japade na me bo ho ban. Inti Sabi,
why can't we? I'm coming in as I'm for peace. Why can't we have, if you like, the last dialogue be nanka to be antin one. That's any over call land sir.
Sabi ye nyina nka minia ye ka sema ahemfo the last respecter ubia de ma ahemfo ewo asante mamu.
Okay.
Sabi asafo ni nye Sabi ni tumi okura na nye obi a
onye kitwa at all
nti se wa fraw ewo nanim Sabi more than 8 times no afa ni die amana den na we NDC ni di asase legitimately I'm telling him and you can put it on this record ono say spiritual me on ko bisa me basara ni o me this soldier complete 15 years I was enrolled into the army for
the soldier
height three brothers the soldier the meaning of the
almost say I've just been told say almost fra na on one kasa manemu na so for chief
na so for chief ono baba ko e na safo hen ka kire ne say enye ono no hia no asase wura se be wo se asase ya wo dia wo chief dia wo ba wo be kan den kwan afa so nya asase na enya wo a Ebenezer e na wo se oba nti wo mfa nidie e ma hemfo amma me yanka asem no na yebu asem na me ba so a wo se die ene me sre no baby me level wo no e wo soro pa and if he tries it I'm telling you I'm matching. Oh yes. Oh so no say honhom na honhom etu obesu I'm watching up with it because you see the point is we have gotten to a point to say untimi fa ahemfo esisi obia
ewusan we nya sem kuma ore ase Opambour akokantokwa we NDC we NDC sofo ana NDC branch chairman ene modi a clash here edesi ade asem no eni eya nya between Opambour and the NDC branch chairman for Island City ex-military officer Solomon Rubin Chirewadwe mame ewo comment section evidence no facts ya Nana Rubin edeba ye we just say a dear dance as no ne dia and as a bia it could be forged we are call cafe no no alcohol in there or they a be hwenu. So I want you mama e comment section. I Penyah block me.